Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for powerful, beginner-friendly video editing software without breaking the bank, then stick around. Today, I'm going to share the latest Wondershare Filmora coupon codes for 2025 that can save you a ton of money on Filmora 13, their newest version packed with amazing features. Now, let's be real. Video editing software can get expensive, and not everyone wants to spend hundreds of dollars on complex tools. That's where Filmora 13 comes in. It's designed to be affordable, super easy to use, and powerful enough to create professional-level videos. Here's why Filmora 13 is worth checking out in 2025. AI-powered editing, smart cutout, auto-captioning, AI audio denoise, and more. Huge effects library, thousands of transitions, filters, and animations. Fast and smooth performance, optimized for 4K editing without lag. Beginner-friendly, drag-and-drop editing with pro-level results. Cross-platform, works on both Windows and Mac. And now, the part you've been waiting for, the Filmora coupon codes for 2025. Filmora 25. Save 25% on all annual plans. Wondersave 30, extra 30% off lifetime licenses. FILM 13 discount, exclusive discount for the new Filmora 13 upgrade. Creator 20% off bundles with stock assets and effects packs. Filmora 2025 unlocks special seasonal offers this year. If any of these don't work for you, don't worry. I've placed a special affiliate link in the description that always applies the best available discount on Filmora 13. That way, you'll never miss out on the lowest price. Here's a pro tip. If you're serious about content creation, the lifetime plan with the coupon code gives you the best value. Pay once, and you'll never have to worry about renewals. And the best part? Filmora offers a free trial so you can test it out before committing. That means you can try all the features, see how smooth it is, and then use my coupon codes to upgrade at the lowest possible price. So that's it. If you want to start editing professional videos without spending a fortune, click the link in my description, grab your Filmora 13 coupon code, and start creating today. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more software deals and tutorials, and comment below with what type of videos you plan to edit. I'd love to know. Remember, creativity should never be held back by price. With these Filmora coupon codes, you'll get one of the best editing tools of 2025 at the best possible discount.